ka na.
Oh, I can't enter.
Shiba, Mapia, wala pa kayo sa loob.
Kilala nyo
Teka lang, nag-aayos pa ako ng skill ko.
si Drog?
Hindi pre, first time lang namin na ano.
Less than 1
Nakaparty.
minute, guys.
I'm bugged.
Hindi niya siguro
So
alam
if
na
I
may
press
ano.
enter, I get
may-
disconnected.
EMC. Parang bagong sali nga eh.
Oo.
Cross and open the other. Yan.
Maybe
Daming
someone
gunslinger
can
na yun,
do the
ah.
live so Clives can see. Great.
Chris, take over the main comms na pagka wala si Tom.
Ako? Nasa BTR kami. Ano yan?
Sige,
Correct 30 seconds.
Uni, take over ah. Diyan ka.
Yo, I'm here. Bring your roamer.
All mid na, all mid.
Okay.
All mid muna tayo tapos mag-8 tayo.
Can someone? Yeah, I can't.
Mag-A, okay. Copy. Saan side kaya yung A? Sa side natin, sa kalaban.
Sa side
Clock ka
natin.
lang. Okay,
Is there
copy.
any
Clock,
way to
clock,
enter
ano na lang tayo.
from-
Yung 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock na.
Go mid.
Take over Uni, take over. Mid ah. Everyone mid. 41 and 2 and 43 and 4 right. Every 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dive.
Pasok kayo sa circle, guys.
Diyan eh.
Ikaw na.
Hindi ko
Sige, pagkaras mo na wait 20 ah. Nice.
Alright, I got in.
Push lang muna natin
can you
ako
pass
na-
the raid back to me, please?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Clives got it.
Wala nagko-command dito, sir, ha?
Ano sir?
Wala nagko-command, ha?
Oops, wait lang.
Katabi ko na sila.
Wait lang ba yun? 3 seconds yung rest ko.
Okay.
Balik mo sa akin si Luis.
Sakit nila.
Tipsis ko na ba?
Okay.
Ba't ka naman bash ko? Kabila, ingat lang. So si Droger.
Going back mid.
13 seconds yung ano.
Palo.
Go inside mid. They got the
Respawn na lang.
Sige na ba? Ano?
Tara, move na.
Here already.
Tara, tawagan na natin to. Saan tayo banda? Dito malapit sa A natin?
Oo.
Sige.
Pumatay ako.
Okay naman nila. Sakit yan.
Alright,
Round
what's the
4 yun,
situation?
Magre-reaction na lang ako, ah.
Ay, nareso na kita pre.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, okay. Craze B2. 1, 2, 3, A5.
A5.
Ano na kagad boy?
Fight inside the thing. Like,
Clear na kagad, 10% lang. So,
fight inside.
try ko kunin. Nice, hindi ko kunin. Daming magic ata. Hindi ka lang. Hindi ko lang ba't ganun yung dash ko.
Hold on. Shit, I'm trying to arrange my shit.
Tumulokit here.
Wipe them.
Ako, di ba? Kuha natin.
Alright. Just give me a second, you guys. I'm trying to recover from this
For going
craziness.
Sige boy, sa party lang to, kaya natin to.
na to.
2 parties.
How many points is the mid?
No vision.
Mission Jun.
21.
Sige, 21. Talking mo yun lahat.
Forget that.
Pagkaras ka.
Everybody go A7.
A7.
Nice.
A7.
Wala.
A7 daw tayo.
Party to going A7.
Saan banda yun pre?
Rally ko kayo.
Let's contest A7 right away.
Sige,
There's
sige.
like an additional
7
point
o'clock
for
siguro.
us. They barely got it.
Mid spawning. 15 seconds.
46 taking
Four-
basic.
Hindi mo na mapag-push.
5, 6, 7, 8 go mid.
Baba.
5, 6, 7, 8 go mid.
Oh,
5, 6, 7,
mid
8
na
go
tayo.
Mid, mid,
5,
mid.
6, 7, 8 mid. Let's go.
Okay. Ay, naku, di na pag-try ito.
They already have been the mid ah.
So,
Party
yun
to
lang.
going
Sa mid ako. Yung mga boron. Gitna. Ayun, sa
We
right.
need more in the mid.
Everybody mid. Everybody mid.
Go inside guys. Guys, go
Nasa
inside.
left side ka na banda ah.
Go inside the S tier. Go inside. Don't go out.
Craze, break, go A2. Craze, break, A2. Everybody should be at mid, except for Craze.
Party 2 at
Craze party A2. Craze party A2.
Nice,
Nice.
one
Nice,
natin.
nice,
Sorry,
nice,
sorry.
nice, nice.
One natin. Basag na ito.
Alright. Let's wipe
Pero
him
tuloy
out.
lang
Wipe him out
PvP.
here at mid. Wipe him out here at mid.
Get inside. We got numbered.
8-2
Ayun,
and
wala kayong
8-4
critical sa akin mga boys.
Party 5
Masakit
and
talaga
6
na.
A4.
Kaya tapos na critical dyan.
A4 na tayo,
5
guys.
and 6 A4.
Rally ko kayo.
Sa-
A5 spawning. 15 seconds.
Sige, sige. Dito sa may baba.
After A2, get
7
the
o'clock.
next,
Focus,
can't
focus.
see the map.
Maraming kalaban dito ba ya?
Yung nasa likod natin marami ah.
1, 2, 3, 4, A5.
Kaya natin isang party ah.
We got 8
Pasok sa loob.
but we are 400 already.
B5.
Sa lang PvP boy.
We're going to...
Mababa na yung buhay ng 50%.
Zev, I get DC. We're connecting.
Pwede mo na i-focus yung boy.
Party A5. Ay,
Kaya focus na ako sa step sa akin. Sino pwede mag-rest field dito?
Zuko,
Kuha
can
na-
you get
kuha na to.
B6? Zuko, party, get
Nice.
B6.
PvP daw, PvP.
We got A6, A4, I mean.
we got B5. Party
We got A5.
B5.
Party, okay, party 2, B5, got it.
Ubusin lang natin yung points. Tira lang tayo mga 30 points.
100 moral, 1 party.
Tira ba tayo dito? Park, ano na?
Oh, it's already...
Reinforcement
They're heading to
reinforcement.
A4, okay? They're heading to A4.
Di natin kasama si ano. Ay, nandito pala si
B6 is a
Drone.
bait, got it?
Yeah.
Sino pwedeng maiwan? Enjero. Yeah. Okay.
What's the status of A4?
A4, 84
We can defend again na.
Let's fight inside A4. Let's fight inside A4. So at least like it goes down.
Gaganda namin. Pwede na kayo na.
Beat
B3 na ba
this
tayo?
up, but
I
feel
can
like
drain
it's a
it. I can drain it. Ako na
Sige,
ako.
drain nyo na lang,
B6,
drain nyo na lang.
but you guys said
Ako na
B6
bahala
today,
mag-drain.
right?
They are in the A5,
Let's go
Craves,
A5. Let's go A5. Let's go A5.
Okay, drain na. Follow na lang ako.
A5 daw, A5. Rally.
Yes,
Okay,
they're
okay.
spawning,
15 seconds.
Yes, they're spawning 15 seconds.
Wala na. Ubus yung points ah. Pero ubusin na lang din natin.
Alright, let's go to mid. Let's
Ay,
go
ba,
to mid.
hindi
Let's go
na
to mid.
mabubus
Fuck
yan.
A5.
6 seconds.
Let's go to mid.
Okay.
Party 2 at mid.
We should get the last.
Craze B8. Craze B8.
Going.
Dito na sila ah.
Holy shit! Fucking gunsling.
Heavy sa mid ah. Sobrang heavy sa mid ah.
Fuck was that?
Naka-position na sila.
Go inside, guys. Go inside. Go inside the
Go
ST.
inside.
Go inside the
Party 2
ST.
hitting the
I
tower.
You cannot fight outside, guys. You cannot fight
I need
outside.
AoEs on the
Yeah,
tower. I need
Huwag ka
AoEs
dyan
on the
sa
tower. I
dito
need
ka
AoEs on
lapit
the
ka sa amin.
tower.
Heavy kasi sila dyan sa pwesto.
Focusing tower.
Pwede na focus sa tower ba yun?
It's okay for you to die. Like, do not
Oh,
die.
wala pa
Like,
natin,
just
ah.
attack the tower.
Ako ata.
Ugat. We got it. Nice.
Push tayo eh. Ay ko. Nandun ako bang sa left side? Left side.
If you die
Pero
and
siya lang
spawn
yun.
over right, can you check on B5? I think we got
Copy.
B5 earlier, right?
Hindi yung position
Got it,
natin
thank you.
pare. Susakit talaga ng tawag dito.
Alright,
Saan
fuck
kaya
that,
what
fuck
kayo?
that.
Okay, nandito pa rin. Susakit yung mga tawag dyan sa long range match, linear. Hindi, yung yung masakit, bullshit.
Okay, balik
Alright,
tayo.
let's go.
Ito na lang tayo mag-revive.
Okay, they're
Kasi
a
sa two,
little bit
kailan?
ahead on
Saan
morale.
ba tayo?
No,
Sa
we're ahead
A2,
on
A2,
morale.
A2.
Let's go A5. A5, no one's here at A5.
Oh, yun, ano? 4 o'clock ata, 5 o'clock.
There's no points. I thought it just spawned.
You need to break it, Clive. You need to break it to see the points. Maybe it's not that.
Dito lang ako sa 5 o'clock. Kalaban ko yun. Spawn ah.
Party 2 at A5.
Ang gugulo lang.
36
Pero sa loob lang.
Heavy
Loob lang.
A5 ba?
How many points is on B6? Got it? Nice.
6 party go to the lower left.
If you're
Malapit
on
ba sa
B6,
zero?
break
Hindi
it
ka
down
marunong.
to 0.
Wala.
Yeah.
Wala yung ano, first.
6 now. Clive. It's already
Alright.
half.
Okay, perfect. No, B8 was
Wala na pa kalaban dito?
Tara, di pa tayo.
Pwede na kayo lumipat.
Tara, sama ka
Lipat na
na.
tayo.
Ano,
One party na on
Oo, ako na bahala mag-iwan dito.
15 seconds
Wala
on
kalaban.
Esther. Clives, 15
baka
seconds.
pwede na tayo
I
mag-mid.
can't see.
Rally
Yeah,
muna.
going
Shit.
dito.
Alright, let's all go
Position
mid
ko,
first.
position na kayo sa
Let's all go
We need
mid.
to last it Esther, ah. We need to last it Esther. This is our goal here. It's a commander skill. We can get morale
Para may narapan
but
sila.
we need to get this Esther, last it. This is our purpose here. Wipe them. Go inside. Go inside. Wipe them.
What the?
Ito kayo na makita yun.
What
Uh,
the?
kami lang yung party.
Okay, ito makita.
Everybody should be at mid. Everybody should be at mid.
20% to 20% yung mid. Ah.
Pares ako. Ano ka lang, rest ka lang, pares ako.
Oh, yun. Nakalas
Sige,
ka na.
nakapokus na ako. Hindi ko ito na, hindi ko nakuha.
Wala.
No, they got it.
Kung nakakuha ba?
Duga na mga MS. Ay, di ba ano?
Duga nga nung ano.
Ang gamit.
Mag-spawn na kayo sa...
Ano, lipat na ba tayo?
Ano,
Ah,
Ano
pwede,
bang
pwede.
sana?
Going
A2, A2, A2.
Going 8 din.
Tara.
Hindi na natin nagagamit yung ano, no? Yung potion. Yung crab potion dito. Pinatch na nila.
Dito to, di ba?
One,
Magkala kayo.
2, 3. Let's go A1.
Dito ba itong 1 o'clock?
Going A1.
46 going
Party 2 going A1.
Ano ba yun?
Dito kami sa ano,
5
o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Spawning
Ito ba yan?
4 seconds.
Barnabas party, can you go to
Oh,
the
oh.
lower left, please? Eight.
Zuko,
Eight.
I need you in A1. Zuko, I need you in A1.
Heavy
Okay.
A1.
36 at
Ayun.
A5.
3 parties.
Mga malapit na beater sa atin.
May pwede
Wala
ba
na
iwan
siguro.
dito?
Too many in A1.
Ano ba tayo? Try natin.
Ako. Iwan ako dito.
Sige, sige. Punta tayo dun
Diyan
sa
muna
ano,
kayo, ah.
A5, A5.
Sakit.
Ano na 9 o'clock?
Oo, 9 o'clock.
Heavy din dito. A5 heavy.
Pasok kasi kayo. Go inside
Yeah,
Peter kasi. Go inside Peter. You will not
May
get
mga
damage
tao
from
naman dito.
outside. What you are doing
Fight
outside?
inside the circle. Fight inside the circle.
Ano ba yun?
What's the status of A5? Oh, A5 is there. So.
A5, 100 points.
We are getting it now. This lower depth A node.
Okay,
Nagalagot ako, nasa labas ako.
Just always go inside.
Oo, sa
You
baba.
cannot get the notes if you are outside.
Kaya ba? Hindi.
Wala, hindi na pa-follow.
Basta na.
Esther
Basta lang
in 10
malapit ka lang
seconds.
ng mic.
8 seconds.
Esther
Libre na
in
yun,
10 seconds.
Alright, everybody.
Sige, diretso na.
Everybody go mid.
Mid.
Labs, we're gonna take the
Okay.
lower.
Yeah, X-Craze A2.
Go inside Esther. Go inside Esther. Go inside.
I need everyone beside the tower. I need everyone beside the tower. The tower is dying. The tower is dying. The tower is dying.
Naka-pause
Go
ako sa
dive
tower
inside.
ah.
Go dive inside.
Pares ako.
If you
Sa
die, it's
tower ako.
fine.
Nasa
Go
tower
dive
ako banda.
inside. Go dive inside.
Yung mga A,
Yeah,
yung sa tower.
Fight beside the tower. I'm literally AOE
Nice.
beside the tower.
Wait, we get it.
Well played.
Well played.
Before 1 second
Craze, if you're at A2, get B4 after.
Going.
Okay, what else?
Sobrang loko.
What's the status of A4? I see
Let's
one
go
person
A2,
at
guys. A2.
Okay.
I'm close to A4 anyway.
A491.
Zuko, I need you to go on the left side. Get B8. Get B8. Layo pa ng A.
A1 spawning.
That's
B1 and B8 spawning. Just spawn.
Yeah,
Do not let
Nasa
them
parang sport
go
ako.
inside.
Zuko get B8 Zuko get B8.
So, hindi ko pa rin ako inatawa yung
Nakaloki.
I'm barely arriving on A2.
Clive's A4 is built. Okay.
Got it.
pares.
126 A2. 120.
We're at A2 and we're holding them down. This is fine. Zuko, careful. There's people at B8. Zuko, there's people at B8.
Yeah, we have around 2 parties on B8.
Just tell me if you guys need help, okay?
Probably we need
Hindi ko
help.
ma-reveal sa'yo, no?
Alright,
Uy!
Craze,
Ano
try
yun?
to help them out.
Bigla sumasabog.
Ano yun?
Skill ata
I
ng...
think
Hindi ko lang.
that's 3
Skill ko na.
parties
Gunslinger
already.
rin
That's
ako.
100,000 yung bawas sa akin.
okay. Let's
Biglang
do
sumasabog, no?
Siguro.
Craze incoming, party 4, party 5, help
O tara,
B8.
isa tayo dito. Wala na tong mga points.
E8. Okay, alis na tayo.
Alright, let's leave A2, everybody. Let's leave A2 and go to A5.
Guys, A1 is at 105. So
E5 daw, E5.
Oh, I thought A1 was done. Hold on, we need to get A5 first. Zuko, just ditch
Tara,
whatever you
nakapalo.
guys are using and just go A1.
A5 tayo, 9 o'clock.
Okay, copy. Dito na kami.
B4. Is B4 a legit point?
Hindi, babaragin ko lang yung...
Yeah, we haven't gotten B4, huh?
before is
Babaragin ko lang.
Camming party, stay at A5. Everybody be at
Ano,
mid.
second.
Camming, stay at
Patayin yung
A5.
save.
Stay down tayo dito sa A5.
So same
Yeah,
thing, you
do not
have
let them go. You see, if you don't let them go in, they will not get
you have to be fighting like fight beside the tower, like fight beside the tower. I'm literally,
Ito, boy.
if you
Napasok.
guys would watch my
Lambot lang
VOD,
naman natin mga slinger ko eh.
beside the tower,
Lambot.
sa STL,
Oh,
yeah.
malambot.
Martin,
naman.
Sobrang layo lang talaga ng range niya rin.
NT.
Strike.
Huh?
Perfect.
Oh shit.
Well played tayo sa sub, guys. Medyo talo lang yung ano natin main.
Yan. Kaya na.
Kabawi tayo sa 80, oh.
Nice one. MVPs.
Well played,
Kaya
guys.
MVP.
Well played.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tingnan na.
GG guys, GG guys.
GG's.
GG.